Great morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I'm your maths teacher, and today I'm going to teach you chapter number 5, and the chapter name is subtraction. In my previous lecture, we learned about subtraction, how we denote the subtraction, and some properties related to the subtraction. And then we learn about subtraction without borrowing. So first is, what is subtraction? The process of finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction. The process of finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction, and subtraction is denoted by sign minus. I again repeat this. The process of finding the difference between two numbers is called subtraction, and subtraction is denoted by sign minus. Then we learn about some properties. The result obtained on subtraction is called difference. The result obtained on subtraction is called difference. We cannot change the order in case of subtraction, as in addition we change the order of number, then we get same result. But in case of subtraction, if we change the order of a number, we cannot get the same result. We get different result if we change the order of number in case of subtraction. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference obtained is 0. कि जब हम किसी नंबर को उसी सेम नंबर में से माइनस करते हैं, उसका रिजल्ट 0 आता है. When we minus number from itself, the difference is 0. Got it? And the next property is, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is result itself. Got it? Today we are going to learn about subtraction with borrowing. Let's see and start the chapter. Great morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I'm your maths teacher, and today I'm going to teach you subtraction. Chapter number 5, that is subtraction. In my previous lecture, we learned about subtraction without borrowing. In this lecture, we will learn about subtraction with borrowing. So let's start the class. In previous lecture, we have already discussed subtraction without borrowing. In this lecture, we are going to discuss subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction with borrowing. We take one example. Subtract 2356 from 8525. Let's solve this problem. We proceed as shown below. First, arrange the number column wise as shown alongside. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Firstly, we arrange the number according to column. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Second step is subtracting ones. Okay, first हम ones में से ones को माइनस करेंगे. We want to subtract 6 from 5, but 6 is greater than 5. So from tens we borrow 1 10, leaving behind 1 10. Now 1 10 plus 5 ones equals to 15 ones. So 15 ones minus 6 ones equals to 9 ones. Write 9 under ones column. Next step is subtracting tens. When we want to subtract 5 from 1, but 5 is greater than 1, so From 100, we borrow 100, leaving behind 4 hundreds. Now 100 plus 110 equals to 10 tens, plus 110 equals to 11 tens. So 11 tens minus 5 tens equals to 6 tens. Write 6 under tens column, as you see in this sum. Next step is subtracting 100. 400 minus 300 equals to 100. Write 1 under hundreds column. Next step is subtracting thousands. 8,000 minus 2,000 equals to 6,000. Write 6 under thousand column. Thus 8,525 minus 2,356 equals to 6,169. This is the answer. Got it? Next example is, if you want to check your answer, when the answer obtained on subtraction is added to the smaller number, then we must get the bigger number. In that case, the answer is correct. क्या होता है बच्चों कि जो हमें स्मॉलर नंबर गिवन होता है, अगर हम उसके आंसर को चेक करना चाहते हैं तो उसमें जो आंसर हमें मिला है उसको ऐड करने के बाद अगर हमें बिगर नंबर मिलता है, इट मीन्स कि हमारा जो सम है वो करेक्ट है. आई अगेन रिपीट दिस कि जब हम अपने आंसर को चेक करना चाहते हैं तो स्मॉलर नंबर में अपने आंसर को ऐड करते हैं, और अगर उसका जो सम है वो इक्वल है बिगर नंबर के, इट मीन्स कि हमारा जो सम है वो करेक्ट है. When the answer obtained on subtraction is added to the smaller number, then we must get the bigger number. In that case, the answer is correct, as you see in this example. Got it? Next example is subtract 2,385 from 5,000. How we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. We proceed as shown below. Step 1. Arrange the number column wise as shown alongside. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Step 2 is subtracting ones. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. We have 0 at both tens and 100 place. So we borrow 1,000, leaving behind 4,000. 1,000 equals to 10 hundreds, leaving 9 hundreds at 100 place. We borrow 100 to tens place. 100 equals to 10 tens. Again, leaving 9 tens at tens place, we borrow 110 to ones place. 110 equals to 10 ones. Thus, we have 4 at 1000 place, 9 at 100 place, 9 at 10 place, and 10 at ones place. Now, 10 ones minus 5 ones equals to 5 ones. Write 5 under ones column. Next step is subtracting tens. 9 tens minus 8 tens equals to 1 tens. Write 1 under column. Step 4. Subtracting hundreds. 9 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals to 6 hundreds. Write 6 under hundreds column. Step 5. Subtracting thousands. 4,000 minus 2,000 equals to 2,000. Write 2 under thousand column. Thus, 5,000 minus 2,385 We get the result 2615. Got it? Next, we do exercise 11. There is some example related to this problem. So, first is subtract 1345 from 5111. How we solve this problem? Let's see. We proceed as shown below. Arranging the numbers in column-wise form. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Next step, subtracting ones. We want to subtract 5 from 1, but 5 is greater than 1. So, from tens, we borrow 110. Leaving behind 010. Now, 110 plus 1 ones equals to 11 ones. So, 11 ones minus 5 ones equals to 6 ones. Write 6 under ones column. Got it? Next step is subtracting tens. We want to subtract 4 from 0. But 4 is greater than 0. So, from hundreds, we borrow 100, leaving behind 000. Now, 100 plus 010 equals to 10 tens plus 010 equals to 10 tens. So, 10 tens minus 4 tens equals to 6 tens. Write 6 under tens column. Next step is subtracting hundreds. We want to subtract 3 from 0. But 3 is greater than 0. So from thousands, we borrow 1000, leaving behind 4000. 1000 equals to 100. 10 hundred. So 10 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals to 7 hundreds. Write 7 under hundreds column. Step 5, subtracting 1000. 4000 minus 1000 equals to 3000. Write 3 under 1000 column. Thus, 5111 minus 1345 equals to 3766. This is the answer. Next question is subtract 2975 from 3600. Next example is subtract 2975 from 3600. How we solve this problem? Let's see. We proceed as shown below. First, we arrange both the number according to column. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Next step is subtracting ones. We cannot subtract 5 from 0 because 5 is greater than 0. We have 0 at tens place. So, we borrow 100, leaving behind 500. 100 equals to 10 tens, leaving 9 tens at tens place. We borrow 1 tens. 110 equals to 10 ones. Now 10 ones minus 5 ones equals to 5 ones. Write 5 under ones column. Next is subtracting tens. 9 tens minus 7 tens equals to 2 tens. write 2 under tens column. Next step is subtracting hundreds. We want to subtract 9 from 5, but 9 is greater than 5. So we borrow 1000, leaving behind 2000. 1000 equals to 10 hundreds. Now 10 hundred plus 5 hundreds equals to 15 hundreds. So 15 hundreds minus 9 hundreds equals to 600. Write 6 under hundreds column. Next step is subtracting 1000. 2000 minus 2000 equals to 0,000. Write 0 under 1000 column. Thus 3600 minus 1345 equals to 625. Got it? Next is subtract 2999 from 6001. How we solve this problem? Let's see. We proceed as shown below. First, we arrange both the number according to column. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then subtracting ones. We cannot subtract 9 from 1. क्यों? क्योंकि 9 1 से बड़ा है. 9 is greater than 1. We have 0 at both tens and hundreds place. So we borrow 1000, leaving behind 5000. 1000 equals to 10 hundreds, leaving 9 hundreds. At hundreds place, we borrow 100. 100 equals to 10 tens, leaving 9 tens. At tens place, we borrow 110. 110 equals to 10 ones. So 10 ones plus 1 ones equals to 11 ones. Now 11 ones minus 9 ones equals to 2 ones. Write 2 under ones column. Got it? Next step is subtracting tens. 9 tens minus 9 tens equals to 0 tens. Write 0 under tens column. Next is subtracting hundreds. 9 hundreds minus 9 hundreds equals to 0 hundreds. Write 0 under hundreds column. Next step is subtracting 1000. 5000 minus 2000 equals to 3000. Write 3 under 1000 column. Thus 6001 minus 2999 equals to 3002. Got it? Next is find the difference. Difference means कि इन दोनों numbers को हम minus करेंगे. 8001 minus 1678. हमें इन दोनों numbers का डिफरेंस बताना है बेटा, और डिफरेंस हमेशा हम माइनस करके कैलकुलेट करते हैं. हाउ वी सॉल्व दिस सम? लेट्स सी. बोथ द नंबर्स आर 4 डिजिट नंबर्स. एट 1000 प्लेस 8001 has 8 and 1678 has 1. Clearly 8 is greater than 1 and therefore 8001 is greater than 1678. Arranging the number in column form and subtracting column wise, then we get 11 minus 8, that is 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 1, 6. Thus the difference between above number is 6323. How we get this result? At ones place, 8 is minus from ones, but ones is less than 8. So we take 1 borrow from tens. Then 1 1 11. 11 minus 8. 8 ones, that is 3 1. So write 3 at ones place. At tens place, 9 tens minus 7 tens. The result is 2 tens. So write 2 at tens place. 9 hundreds minus 6 hundreds. Result is 3 hundreds. So write 3 at hundred place. 7,000 minus 1,000. Result is 6,000. So write 6 at thousand place. Thus the difference between above number is 6,323. Got it? Next is find the difference between 8,264 and 9,020. How we solve this problem? Let's see. Both the given number are 4-digit numbers. At thousand place, 8,264 has 8 and 9,020 has 9. Clearly 9 is greater than 8 and therefore 9,020 is greater than 8,264. Arranging the numbers in column form and subtracting column wise, then we get at ones place 4 is minus from 0, but 0 is less than from 4. So we take 1 borrow. At 10 place, then at ones place 10 ones minus 4 ones. The result is 6 1. So write 6 at ones place. 11 tens minus 6 tens. So result is 5 10. So write 5 at 10th place. 9 hundreds minus 2 hundreds. Result is 7 hundreds. To write 7 at 100 place. 8,000 minus 8,000. Result is 0. So write 0 at. Thus the difference between above number is 756. Got it? Your today homework is do above work in your notebook and do practice all the sum in your rough notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.